Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix folder not opening on double click. To start, enter mouse in the search box, open mouse settings. There, adjust the mouse pointer speed slider to a slower point. After this, click on Additional Mouse Settings. You are going to move the speed slider to a slower level. Click on Apply and OK. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.